Now let's write code for the shopping cart class with unit test. You see, in the shopping cart we store the books chosen by the customers in the map collection here, with the key is book, an instance of the book class, and value is an integer number that indicates the number of copies of the book. And the first method we are going to implement is a add item method that puts a book to the shopping cart. Go back to our Eclipse IDE, and for the shopping cart features, we need to create a separate Java package in the front end here. Right click, new package, and enter the package name as com.bookstore.controller.frontend and .shoppingcart, and create a new class under this newly created package. Name it as shopping cart. We use a map collection to store the books added by the customer.